Hey, good people. We've all been there, rushing to go warm or heat up something in the microwave. But did you know there are certain things we should not put in the microwave? Let's talk about it. First up, metal should not be put in the microwave. Forks, spoon, knives should not be in your microwave. It can cause spark or fire. Eggs. If you thought of boiling eggs in your microwave or cooking eggs in your microwave, you better not. What you will get is an egg explosion. Plastic containers not labeled as microwave safe should not be in the microwave. Example, plastic spoons, a takeout bowl, this sort of container, plastic cup. What next? Aluminum foil, aluminum trays can cause spark or start a fire. Not good in the microwave. Again, paper bags and parchment paper or anything that has to do with paper, it can catch fire easily. Would not recommend you put it in your microwave. Mugs that have not been labeled as microwave safe should not be used in the microwave. Don't even think of warming your coffees or your teas in your microwave with a mug that has not been clearly labeled as microwave safe. Plates that have no microwave label on it. Most plates, if you check underneath it, it will let you know if it's microwave safe or not. Check under your plate. Please and please do not warm any type of fruit in your microwave. Any type of fruit in your microwave. It can cause irritation. And finally, do not warm any type of peppers. For most of us that buy peppers in bulk, and we place it in the fridge or freezer, and then we put it in the microwave to thaw, it's a bad idea. Releasing the microwave can release its oil into the air and cause irritation. Please do not do that. Any kind of pepper, bell pepper, habanero pepper, any kind of pepper, do not thaw or microwave it in your microwave. Did I miss anything? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and follow. Thanks for watching.